Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Bluestacks. First, download and install the latest version of Bluestacks from its official website. Make sure your computer meets the minimum system requirements, typically requiring at least 4 GB of RAM and a dual-core processor. Enabling virtualization in your computer's BIOS settings is also crucial for achieving the best possible performance and a seamless gaming experience. Once Bluestacks is up and running, open the Google Play Store directly within the emulator. Search for PUBG Mobile and proceed with the installation, just as you would on a regular Android device. You will need to log in with your Google account to access the Play Store and complete the game download. This process usually takes only a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. After installing PUBG Mobile, launch the game. Bluestacks offers a powerful game controls editor, which you can access from the sidebar. Here, you can customize keybinds for every action, from movement using WASD to shooting and accessing your inventory. Take some time to set up a control scheme that feels natural and comfortable for you, then save it for consistent, optimized gameplay. For the best performance, open Bluestacks settings and allocate at least 4 CPU cores and 4 GB of RAM. Setting the display resolution to 1920 by 1080 pixels is also recommended for clear visuals. Within PUBG Mobile's in-game settings, adjust graphics to a balanced option, prioritizing frame rate over extreme visual fidelity. This ensures a smooth and competitive gaming experience.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.